Hello and good day. Today we're going to be taking a look at this Lenox demolition blade. It's for a reciprocating saw, and anybody who's used a reciprocating saw very much probably has used a Lenox blade, and they can vouch for them. They are very tough. They're high quality. This is the 6066R bimetal blade. It's for nail embedded wood. So, which means we should be able to cut through just about anything, and we have a volunteer right here in the deck screw. So let me put this up in our Ryobi reciprocating saw, and let's see if we just can't take care of that screw. I've used Lenox blades in this saw for, well, since I've had this saw and others. You know, they're just, I use their other blades for my other power tools, and they're top of the line. High quality. They're a little bit more than other blades, but they're worth it. So let's see what we can do with this screw right here. There you go. I only had that on about half power, but she's ready to go again. Wonder if I can cut this way. Let's just see what the old Lenox blade can do when it's cutting through a landscape timber with a nail or a screw in it. There you go. I don't know if you can see the end of it. You could tell when it went through there, but this isn't the greatest for cutting wood, but if you got wood with nails or screws or other metal in it, this is the blade you want. So check out the link below for the written review of this blade, and we appreciate it, and let us know what you think. Catch you later.